To connect Bluetooth headphones with Realme Note 60, first let's swipe our finger from the top of the screen just like that. Then we'll be able to find the Bluetooth right here. You can click and hold your finger on the Bluetooth icon, and then we need to make sure that it's activated. So when you enter it, it should be turned on, and then it will search for available devices. Now you need to enter a pairing mode on your headphones. If you're not sure how to do it, then you can check our videos, since we have most of the newest headphones and the guides how to enter pairing mode on them as well. So find your headphones right on our channel, and then you'll be able to pair them. As you can see, there's my Sony WH-XM3, and we can connect them by clicking on it right here in the process. And they are connected.